I'm going to give you some rapid fire gem altcoins that are sleeping right now, but are going to be huge throughout 2023. So let's get straight into after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight into the video. Number one is Horizon, all right, the zero knowledge enabled network of blockchains. It's reliable, scalable, secure, and powerful. There's over 41,697 active nodes, 100% uptime, and it is fantastic. Powered by the most robust and secure public infrastructure, enhanced with multiple security layers. Guys, Horizon is a full EVM compatible sidechain and smart contract platform. You can easily integrate your Ethereum based dApps, user-friendly, streamlined, quick access to Horizon's fast-growing ecosystem, and it is taking over the world, guys. So that's number one. Let's move on to number two. Number two is Dogecoin, okay? It took a massive height back last year, and it is back again. It's the people's currency, all right? An open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Sheena Innes worldwide, okay? It's hard. Dogecoin is an accidental crypto movement that makes people smile. If you want to get started, all you gotta do is connect your wallet, configure your wallet, and get some Dogecoin. Guys, it is incredible the growth that Dogecoin has. And if you think it's over, you are not in the right crypto space. The foundation is fantastic. The blogs are big in this up. All the announcements that are about to come are gonna send this to new levels in 2023. And the IP facts, you want to get involved with them. But guys, why does everybody want to get involved in Dogecoin? Because it is incredible and its amazingly vibrant community is hyping this coin back up right now. So let's move on to number three. Number three is a DeSo vision, right? This is a decentralized, social, and empowering an internet that's creator-led, user-owned platform and open to millions of developers around the world to build off one another. You can watch this video, but I'm not going to do that for you right now. I want you to actually dive into this yourself. This is the docs, okay? You just got to hit the link down below to get involved with this. But guys, it's insane how amazing this project is, okay? There's several general purpose blockchains out there, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, all to their ability to scale tens of thousands of transactions per second, all right? That's incredible. That solves a different problem. Now, to use an analogy from the centralized world, the infrastructure that powers the New York Stock Exchange is vastly different from the which powers Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They have completely different architectures tailored to support their representative applications. And that's the same with projects like this. Okay, the centralized of social media is the exact same as well. So their vision is to help get you out of that loop, okay? Everyone's stuck in a loop. Users have to use their company's apps because they have a monopoly on the content. They're forced creators into continuing to give their content up in order to reach them. They want to solve this problem for you, and I think they will, all right? Their vision is fantastic, so guys, get involved with DeSo right now. Let's move on to number four. Number four is Doge Chain. It's a layer 2 for Dogecoin, right? So if you're going to get Dogecoin, get this as well. And finally, new things to do with your Dogecoin. NFTs, games, DeFi, okay? It's incredible. Now, if you don't know exactly what this layer 2 chain is, it supercharges Dogecoin crypto to bring crypto applications like NFT, games, DeFi to the community of the original holders of Dogecoin. Okay, if you want to be a new holder of Dogecoin, you can also take that benefit as well. Very limited access to these applications. Dogecoin fixes this with Dogecoin. Dogecoin holders could do more than simply hodl and wait for Dogecoin to move. So it's giving you more access to the whole world of the Dogecoin ecosystem. You can become an ambassador, but I do recommend getting involved with all the ones we've talked about today, especially Dogecoin and the layer 2 Doge chain. There you go, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.